Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your header transparent on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see, I am on the Wix website editor, and then you can see in here my header. So on my header, I have a yellow thing or yellow design. So if I click on the quick edit right here, so let's try to click on the quick edit. Then in here, you can see any option that can help you change transparent menu because it will always change your horizontal menu and your search bar. So what we can do instead is we can actually head over and just double click on this one. And then in here, you can open the header design. So you can also just click on this change header design right here in order to open that. So in here, you can see this no color right here, which is the transparent option of our Wix website editor. So just click on this no color right here. And as you can see, it will be able to be applied on our specific header. And after that, what you can do next is to just publish the specific changes that you have made, and it will be updated on the live site that you have created. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change header design and turn it to transparent one. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!